Hey, what's up? This is Kevin Thrasher from Escape the Fate. So now we're going to upload a new campaign and book some shows. So I'll go to the left over here and I'll click on Show. We'll use Escape the Fate to create a show for my band. So we'll call the event title Escape the Fate 10-year anniversary. We'll select the artist, which will be Escape the Fate. Country, we'll go with United States. State, we'll do California. Now, city, we'll do Anaheim. And for venue name, we'll enter a venue, which I'll choose the Chain Reaction. It's a smaller venue in Southern California, seats about 300 to 400 people. And then we'll have the venue address, which we can put in. We'll put a brief description. So, ATF plays 10-year anniversary. We'll just do one night only. Great, and then we can just go to the bottom and we'll click next. And the next thing we want to do is create a cover image. And then here is where we'll go over the funding and the tickets. So with the budget and confirmation point, we'll enter the budget, which is the cost of the campaign and the currency. So our budget amount currently is $500. So our confirmation point, including the 6% Show4me fee, is $583. Then we'll go to our tickets, where we'll have general admission tickets, and maybe we'll have some VIPs where we can meet the different fans. With this, we want to keep the tickets kind of at a lower price point, because after you reach your goal, after you reach the confirmation point, the ticket price will raise 40%. So that really encourages your fan base to jump on it and buy tickets right away, right after you make this post. So the next thing we have here would be the Show4me fee, which is only $56. And then we have a funding period. So we can have a duration of a minimum of 7 days all the way up to 150 days. So you can really work it and you can go advertise. And then we have the event admission, which are the e-tickets. There'll be unique barcodes that will be automatically generated and sent to the campaign pledgers. It'll be super easy for them to get their tickets, and you can just scan the tickets at the venue front door. We'll have no age restrictions because it's an all ages venue. There'll be no alcohol sold, so we'll just maximize how many people can go to the show here. So the next page is for sponsors. So say my band, we're sponsored by ESP Guitars. We have Ernie Ball Strings, Monster Energy Drinks. Say we want to get them involved, we can bring the sponsors in, and we can have them also add to the funding. So we'll go to next. We have our show. The artist is Escape the Fate. The location's at the Chain Reaction in Anaheim, California. And then we'll launch our campaign right after it gets approved. So Show4me will go through the campaign, make sure all the information's correct, it all makes sense. They'll view and approve all the campaigns. So we can do it right after approval, or we can wait and have a scheduled date and time to launch the show. So now that I've clicked Launch Campaign, our camp page is under moderation. We'll be notified of the results within the next 24 hours. This is awesome. It was so easy. Just with a few simple steps, I was able to enter all the information, all the data to sponsor a show, and now I can invite people to come and check out the campaign that we have for our very exclusive one-time show here.
If you'd like to know how to launch other crowdfunding campaigns, check out Show4me Help Center.